All right, so check this deck out. At first glance, it doesn't look too terrible. But if you zoom in, you can see the surface layer is starting to wear thin. There's some scuffs, some discoloration, and early breakdown of the top layer. So that's your warning sign. The good news is that we caught this one early. That means that we didn't need to do a full reglass or a major tear out. The fiberglass base was still solid, so instead of rebuilding the entire system, we performed a recolor. Maintenance top coat to restore the finish and reseal the surface. Step 1 is always prep. We sand and clean the deck thoroughly, especially around the rail posts, edges, and downspout areas because those spots take the most abuse and are the first to fail. Once the surface is properly prepped, we're going to roll on the fresh gel coat to bring the color back, renew the UV protection, and restore that seamless waterproof barrier. And this is why maintenance matters. If you wait too long, that worn top coat can turn into cracking, moisture intrusion, soft spots, or delamination. And then you're looking at a much bigger repair. But when you catch it early like this, it's faster, cleaner, and way more cost effective, and the deck looks brand new again. If your fiberglass deck is fading, chalking, or wearing thin in the high traffic areas, reach out. A quick inspection now can save you from a major rebuild later.